What is up, guys? Brian here with KB Auto. I'm here at the Irwindale Speedway going through the 8th mile track. So it'll be my first time going through this. Never been here before, but I'm excited to see what it can do. I got all new kit for this little event here. I got gloves, I got the helmet, got the GoPro, I got the microphone. So yeah, we'll see how we do. It's just waiting in line here, but it doesn't look too busy. I think we'll be able to get a couple runs. It's around 5 o'clock right now. The event is going to go on until 8 o'clock, so I'm hoping to get at least 3 or 4 runs. Temperature right now is around 80, so that's not too good for my car being supercharged, but we'll see how it does. It's not optimal. It would be nice if it was around 65, 70, something like that, right? Yeah. If you guys have any kind of car that's performance car, I do recommend coming out here. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. This is my very first time running whatsoever. Obviously I've floored this car before, but not in a controlled environment, so to speak. All right, just waiting in line. That's part of life, right? Just waiting in line. So let's get to it. Gonna be racing against my friend over there in the C6 Z06. You guys have probably seen him before in my other videos. See how we do against him. A little bit nervous, not gonna lie. Like I said, it's my first time, so. Wow, that was ridiculous. I had no traction whatsoever until like halfway down. Ridiculous.
How was it?
That was fun. I had like no traction until like halfway through. All right, guys, let's try again.